What's up, guys? Welcome. We're out here on Rattlesnake, Eagle Mountain, Utah. The key obviously is to not die. So I'm spotting. Also, guys, I'm glad you guys love the Crown Vic. Super sick. I've got some buddies that are building more of them. And I'm looking for one. So if you have one, hit me up. If you're, close to Utah. But I'd love to do a Crown Vic series. I think that would be super sick. Put something together. But right now, instead of a $500 car, we're going a little hard. It's a 2021 Ford Ranger Lariat. It's a nice little package here. Has the skid plate from the factory and a 2-inch leveling kit on the front end. Has added Ranger badging on the back, which is pretty cool. 18-inch wheels from the factory. It also comes standard with a slip-off exhaust, so it slipped off with a Resonator installed. The trail wasn't anything super crazy. The big thing was just making sure that the truck had enough clearance to go over any kind of object that we found in the trail. This part of the trail was the hardest part of the trail. It had a right side and a left side. I'm currently on the left side, which was much less strenuous, and the path that we chose to go on. Should be good. This is the sketchy spot. Good trail. Not a rock crawler, so we're not doing that one. This particular Ranger came with a locking rear differential from Ford, which was awesome. So this trail, we primarily used 4-wheel low with the diff lock on, as well as 2-wheel high with the diff lock on, just depending on what the driver wanted to do. Got plenty of room. Nice, dude. There you go.
I don't know what I look like on that other side, though.
Okay, so turn wheel that
So
way.
at this part of the trail, our primary concern was making sure we had clearance. With only having a leveling kit on the front end, we were concerned with maybe dragging the truck. So we just eased the front end over, which went over super easily, had plenty of clearance there. Adjusted the wheels back so that we were back on the trail. As we pulled the rear end over, there was a little bit of a drag here that just kind of bumped the frame. It wasn't too bad as that tire just locks up, rolls over. This part of the trail was hands down one of my favorite spots. Just a slow ascent up this hill. The surface was silty. We expected some slip out of the tires, so we put it in 4-low with the diff lock on, and it just crawled right up. No wheel spin, no slip, which is good because it gets tight right here. The walls were pretty narrow, super Star Wars-esque, and we just went right through it, no problem.
Found a giant hole out here.
I can't see the bottom of it. Still sketch
Oh
to
my
stand on.
lord.
Yeah, dude. It just goes.
Does anyone down there need help?
Hello! Holes in the ground for whatever reason.
Just hit one of the summits, jumping out to check it out. Still doesn't have a shirt on. Solid.
Yeah, this is crazy. Do a panoramic.
The sun was going down, and since it was a one-way in, one-way out trail, we're going back down this little silt mountain here, and the parking sensors kept going off. It was hilarious.
Where? I'm aware.
Now that we're used to the truck and the way it moves and articulates, it's not as sketchy as before.
The only injury the truck sustained is right here. Turn your sound up and listen. Overall, the truck was pretty impressive and we were super happy and had a great time. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you guys soon.